How to fix Instagram app not opening problem. So go to setting. Now click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now find Instagram. Now first clear data. Tap on OK. Now tap on force stop and click on OK. Go back and open Play Store. Now search Instagram. First update your Instagram app update available. After updating, the problem will be solved easily.